If we were then going to plot these results out, it'd probably be a good idea to move this text so that it wasn't across the top of our stockpiles. And we can do this using the option multi-string translate. And we use the option inside there called name. And you just pick on any of the text and accept it, and then we can just move it out to the side. Once we're happy with that, we can then create a plot frame using the option create plot frame from our plotting toolbar. We call up the plot frame we're going to use, or the title block we're going to use, and in this case we'll use training A3 plan. We'll give it a scale, we'll just use 1:1000, and an origin. We can pick anywhere down the left hand bottom corner. Turn off this draw viewport border and click on create. Before we close this down, we should then turn on the model containing the plot frame and reposition it. So we just click on translate and position it something like that. We can then finish on our plot frame editor, and to plot it out we click on the printing icon and select plot frames. We're going to use a single plot frame, so we can just click on the arrow icon and select our plot frame. The view to plot will be view number 1. Our plotter type, we can select the PDF writer, and our plot file stem, we'll just call this Stockpiles. Over under the title block, because we're using a title block, we need to tick on this use title file, then open it up and select our title file, which once again is in our user library and is training A3 plan. We can then fill in the required information here. Once we've filled in the required information, we can then click on plot to create the file. Once it's finished plotting, it can then be found inside our working folder, so we click on open working folder and double click the PDF file to open it up. We can just zoom in on that file now, and you can see we have our stockpiles with their contours showing, the area and the volume, and down the bottom all our information filled into our title file.